Hiya. So today we're going to do a face mask, just so you can kind of get to know us a little bit, but we can kind of do something and let you know what we think of it as well. So,
and also just to tell you where we're coming from, where we're planning to go,
and what our inspiration is really, and why we're doing this.
Yeah. And here is the face mask itself. You'll have seen it in our TKMaxx video, which will link down below. Right, out of all the face masks that we got from TKMaxx, we actually chose to do this one because it's anti-aging. And everybody needs a little help when it comes to keeping tight and looking right. As I like to say. Tight is right. Ain't nobody want no loosey juice there, but there you go.
No sausage down the alleyway.
Well, we're quite taking it there, but there you go.
Okay, so this is the LUXE Beauty Care Signature Retinol Spa Treatment Mask. It says anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy which minimises the pores, the fine lines and wrinkles, delays the effects of anti-aging, and it's for all skin types. Gives you 5 facial treatments in the one box, and you can buy it on globalbeautycare.com.
On there it actually says, because obviously if you're going to try a product you want to know what it's meant to do, so obviously do your research as I mentioned previously. And these are the claims it's making. LUXE Beauty Care Signature Collagen Spa Treatment Mask is an effective facial skincare therapy designed to improve the health and appearance of your skin. Well, everybody needs that, and I'm not lying, I'm actually barefaced right now on camera, so we can try this for you, and obviously for ourselves as well. So I'm hoping this actually does what it says, because everybody needs a little bit of help. Where was I? Our skin moisture rich formula contains collagen proteins and essential fatty acids. These ingredients help revive skin, it should say skins to be fair, elasticity, and minimise the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and crow's feet. Well, I don't think I'm quite there yet. But
Ooh, I am.
Well, I say prevention's better than cure. And I've got the advantage of black nut cracking, thanks to my dad. But then from my mum's side I get the drying, I should say no more because I don't really want to insult my family because after all their family.
You are a combination of skin.
I am.
There you go.
Just
it says it's for all skin types as well.
It does. And it's meant to help lift, firm and tone your skin. Well, bitch, normally you have to go to the gym to get that kind of stuff, so sitting here for 15 minutes with this on my face is nothing. And it claims after just one treatment it will leave your face feeling smoother, softer and looking younger and more radiant. I'm ready to glow.
We paid $4.99 for this, £4.99, so Great British pounds, from TKMaxx.
Sterling. But actually if you go to the globalbeautycare.com, they're selling it on their website for $19.99. But you don't, that's obviously if you're in America. But if you're in the UK, I've also discovered you can actually buy this product on Amazon. I've seen it a lot on eBay, but I wouldn't really buy skincare products and things like that from somewhere like eBay, because you get a lot of dupes and fakes, and I ain't risking.
Waste a lot of your time and your money, to be honest.
Yeah,
buy cheap, buy twice.
Do you know what I mean? This is my money maker.
I thought you meant me.
No, you're sat on that. Right, so in this box you actually get 5 facial treatments.
We only need 2, I ain't got that many faces.
But yeah. You're saying you're two-faced?
No, I said we only need 2.
I thought you were saying you only need 2.
We only need 2. We don't have that many faces.
This side's smiling at you, this side's like hissing at you. Or is it, as Willem said actually, this side the camera loves and this side the camera snags the camera. What was it he says actually?
From the left you catch, from the right you snag.
Yeah. I'm like, ain't really into this snagging. That means your skin's dry and crisp, man.
Open it then.
Yeah, anyway. So in here, I already cut the seals because like there was no way I was going to sit here trying to cut that open. And I hate ruining boxes when I open them, so I always try best not to. I'm really sad as well, aren't I? At Christmas, like I'll sit there and take off the sellotape.
All the sellotape off the wrapping gifts.
Right, so inside the box you get 5 of these.
Then up.
And yeah, sorry. For some reason, inside the box you get 5 of these. And in this actual sachet, you actually get a sheet facial.
It feels like in the pack, you know, like when you get like a sample of moisturiser or something like that.
Or like
yeah.
in a hotel and you get
Like,
those sachets.
either it's full of air or water or something thick and creamy.
Well, I'm hoping it's full of product because like my skin's ready for this. It also seems like it delays effects of aging skin.
Oh, it's splattered all up my arm.
That's nice. We're not meant to.
You got me. Oh God, it looks very wet.
Is it all moist?
It's like a wet fish.
Fuck off. Right, there you go. Look, it's literally dripping.
Oh no.
I feel like I should have a towel.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Be
Be right back. Back now with the towel.
not that it
Get
would
back.
actually make any difference.
Oh God.
As you can see, this is quite messy.
I'm ready for my Alyssa Edwards moment. I can't do that. Hannibal Lecter.
Oh, that too. Actually, I'd say more Hannibal Lecter
I
than
don't know if I'm looking forward to this or not.
Alyssa. Oh God, it's like.
It really is like a wet fish.
I'm glad you got yours open because I'm struggling here. I'm not used to such slippy things in my fingers. And yeah, I have a bit of facial stubble, but even though I have facial, what's going on with these aisles?
I know, look.
Like,
I thought I flopped mine open.
why didn't they cut these out altogether? Just a suggestion, because not everyone wants this on the rise.
Just make sure you've got a towel as well.
Yeah.
Because I feel a bit like a wet fish.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Alright. Hello.
You look like you've been arrested.
I don't actually be arrested. I don't know about actually being arrested itself.
Go on.
Oh shit. Oh God, I almost took me out. Like, good. Hello.
Do you want a hand?
I'm like floppy bits. No, I'm alright. I'm on. There we go. I'm like, oh my God. I'm old enough to do that. I think my big old man face is a bit too big for these.
It's sliding. Your face is slipping. It don't taste nice.
I'm trying to eat it. So.
It dripped in your mouth.
Right, so obviously we've had this on 15 minutes. As you can see, we was trying to entertain ourselves.
Yeah, we did realise that it was the sort of thing that you can't move in.
And you can't talk. You can't. You better off lay down doing this because, like, as you could see, you get like peeling off. Like, I don't even know. And
Does it say what you have to do now?
that's why I was
I didn't
just
even
about,
read
yeah, we didn't even get that far. I got so excited about
I just
the
wanted
teaching.
to stick it on.
Stick it on me. Right. Wear mask 15 minutes for best results. Make sure to wash off all remaining residue immediately after treatment, as leaving on longer can cause an allergic reaction. Right, so on that note, we'll be right back. Voila, all washed off. We wanted to actually talk quite a bit throughout that, and just like get to know
Us.
to get to know us. But that didn't work out because the mask it just didn't give us the opportunity to do so, did it?
No, it wasn't the sort of thing that you could talk through.
But to be fair, the mask itself,
I feel quite smooth.
I feel like a newborn baby. Oh, smooth. I haven't actually put any moisturiser on.
Nothing.
Didn't want to interfere.
It doesn't say to anyway, so I think it is just kind of a mask is what it is. It says that this stuff can cause an allergic reaction.
If left on.
Yeah, so just make sure you wash it off properly is what I would say.
And to be fair, you get 5 treatments, so if you actually wanted to make sure, you should read the ingredients before you try it anyway, because if you know you're allergic to anything, just check it's not in there. And it's all stated on here quite clearly. The ingredients are just here. I'm not going to sit here and read them all out for you. But yeah, they're there. But what else was I going to say?
Yeah, we've got a few masks that are like this, that again are from the same haul. To be honest, I'm going to be really honest, I really don't like these sort of masks. I would much rather like the paste on and peel off than the slap mask. Like, I don't know.
Whereas I like them, but I like them much more in a spa.
Yeah, or somebody else doing it for you and you laying there and doing it.
Yeah, rather than having to sit here trying to wear it and talk at the same time. It don't work.
No, so that kind of backfired a little bit, as we did want to do something that was a little bit more invasive. So you got to go know us a little bit more, and especially at our moment with nothing on, like completely exposed. What better way to do it?
Yeah,
We'll expose ourselves.
I wouldn't say like being invasive. I'd say being more intimate of you getting to know us. Well, yeah. I just wanted to end the video with like talking a little bit about why we're doing what we're doing, and a bit about myself, a bit about yourself. Now myself, it was about a year ago, I was a student nurse and I was actually on interruption. So bored as I was, decided to start watching YouTube, discovered Jeffree Star. So I was just inspired by him, and he was saying if you could do it, anyone can do it. And the thing is, in Britain, and I'm sure you'll agree, you're not really pushed or encouraged to go out there and start your own business and just to be you. And it was quite refreshing and inspirational to see somebody who themselves said they didn't really have that much and now is a global brand. And all from like believing in himself and working hard, and me getting into university in itself was like an achievement beyond. Never thought I could have done it. It almost now seems like I did it to kind of prove that I could do it, even though that's not really the case. But I do believe if you want something and you work hard enough, you can achieve anything. But then it's like as well for me, rich looks. Completely like not the kind of person I would ordinarily like to associate with, like Louis Spence. I like just so extra, so over the top, just not my kind of person. Although my friend James, back in the day, used to like walk around wafting his Indian head scarf, and yeah, James was very outrageous, and I love James to bits. But rich looks just made me laugh when I wasn't in a great place. And looking at him as well and thinking like, you're putting yourself out there for ridicule. And you're just doing what you want to do because that's what you're inspired to do. And that's inspired, again, us not to care what people think or what people say. Because at the end of the day, you have one life. It ain't no rehearsal, which is very cliche, but when time's up, and as a student nurse, I saw a lot of that. So it did kind of make me think, don't waste time doing what doesn't make you happy. Yeah, it makes me happy to help other people and to be an inspiration.
But at the same time, you're not helping yourself.
Exactly, and it's just bringing yourself to a place where you're not happy, not appreciated. Hi, welcome back. We've been out, haven't we? We've run a few errands. We thought we'd give you some feedback on this face mask that we reviewed for you earlier. Obviously, as both having different skin types, we're both about to give you our feedback for our own particular skin type. So,
For me, it wasn't too bad. I've got quite combination skin, but around my nose, and especially like my beard area, it's usually quite dry. So that feels actually quite normal. My forehead's usually quite greasy, but it's not too bad actually. The only thing that bothers me is the scent. Like, even though once it's been washed off after, you can just still smell it, and it almost smells almost like detergent, like that you would put in the washing machine. I don't know, like, it's not a pleasant smell to be living with for a couple of hours.
I did find though it's dried my skin terribly. Like, where I never had dry patches before, I've now got dry patches. You can't really see it on here too well, but yeah. Personally, it's not for me.
Yeah, no, I would have to agree. Like, for me, it's just that smell. It's too pungent, and I don't know. It might just be me.
It's very dry,
but I don't know.
Right. So basically, I personally wouldn't recommend this for anyone that's got maybe skin that's prone to drying out a little bit. As it doesn't help because obviously here in England we're going through winter, about to go into spring, so it's really cold, which obviously going in the cold into the warmth for central heating and so on, it's drying the skin anyway.
Now it's quite dry, so it's probably not done the job, or like it has, but just not. It's gone too far in drying instead of keeping it moist.
I was trying to see if you can see it snowing. That's how much it's dried my skin.
Anti-aging, can't really comment. Didn't notice much apart from it sliding off my face.
Because that's how smooth my skin is already. It's like
just slipping off. So yeah, you don't approve, and I don't really.
It's not GEE approved. Well, it's not approved by me, and I'm GEE. So.
No, I don't really approve it. I mean, it's not a bad product, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy more. So yeah.
On that note,
thank you for watching.
Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll try and respond to all the comments.
And we'll see you next time.
Namaste, bitches.
Bye.